In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a Discord server without an invite link. First, open your Discord app and in the left, you will see plus icon. You can click it. And then in the bottom, you can click join server. And now you have to type like this. You can copy me. After that, you can type the server name. Let's say I want to join Trump server. I hope there is Trump server like this and click join with invite link. Turns out there is a Trump server, so you can click accept invite. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.